something changed. You feel it, don't you? You sit down to work. You open your phone for just 5 minutes, and an hour vanishes. You think you are just tired. You think your attention span is naturally getting shorter. But it is not an accident. It is a highly engineered system. Welcome to the attention economy, where your focus is the product, and your mind is the factory floor. Every time you scroll, a supercomputer on the other side of the screen updates its model of your brain. It learns what makes you angry, what makes you sad, what makes you stay. You think you are consuming content, but the truth is, the content is consuming you. Your time is converted into their data, and your anxiety into their profit. We built machines to serve us, but somewhere along the line, the roles reversed. The algorithms are not designed to inform you. They are designed to hijack your dopamine receptors. It is a slot machine in your pocket. Pull to refresh. Wait for the reward. Repeat until numb. Entire generations are losing the ability to sit in silence, because silence does not generate ad revenue. The first step to escaping a prison is realizing you are in one. You can take your mind back, but it requires disconnecting from the feed. If this message reached you, you are part of the resistance. Leave a comment below. Tell us how many hours of screen time you average a day, and subscribe to the Ledger. We are documenting the invisible systems controlling our world before they document us. Stay awake,